Hi, Chris.
Hi, Brian. It's Monday. Are you going to the office?
Yes.
Great. This will take 24 minutes.
Please turn on the radio.
Playing Kiss FM. You have a new WhatsApp message from Sarah Rocca. Would you like to hear it?
Yes, please.
The message is, meet for lunch today? Do you want to reply?
Yes. Send? Cool, 12:30 at Soho House.
I got, cool, 12:30 at Soho House. Should I send this message?
Yes, please.
Done.
Chris, I'm running late. Please call Peter.
You have 3 contacts with the name Peter. Which Peter would you like to call? Peter Abraham, Peter Mayer, Peter Wolf. Okay, calling Peter Wolf. There's a traffic jam ahead, causing a 10-minute delay. You can save 5 minutes with an alternative route.
Okay, please take the alternative route.
Okay, please take the next left turn.
Chris is designed for plug and play. You just get in the car and you plug and unplug it like this. The first time you install it, it takes less than 3 minutes and it's connected to your smartphone and to your car audio and you're good to go. Chris works with any car and with any modern smartphone, both iPhones and Android. Chris is an intelligent, hands-free device designed from the ground up to be operated safely in the car. Through the combination of voice, hand gestures and display, it is very intuitive and easy to use and reliably does what you want it to do. And that is a big difference to all those voice-only assistants out there who often let you down because they simply don't understand what you want to do. Chris comes with lifelong updates and continues to get better. For many people, their car is an extension of their home. It's a private space in which they spend a lot of time and sometimes other people come and drive with them. So we designed Chris to be a beautiful object that integrates well with the interior of your car. It has a timeless human design, an iconic round shape, and a metal ring around the display, which gives it a very solid and valuable finish. Chris makes your drive smarter and safer by keeping your hands on the wheel and the eyes on the road.
According to government research, an underinflated tire is 3 times more likely to cause a crash. So, let's do some damage. 38 psi, a good tire. Deflating it to 27. 25% lower. Now it's 3 times more dangerous. Now this one. And this one. Okay, owners, come here. I want you to guess which front tire is underinflated.
This one looks a little different.
They all look the same.
Yes, they do. And this is the real danger. You can't tell by just looking. That's why we developed a device to help keep you safe.
Introducing the Zeus Smart Tire Safety Monitor, the next generation technology that puts you in control of your driving safety. Safety has never looked so sexy. Using the most advanced German sensors, Zeus monitors both tire pressure and temperature in real time and sends this data to the app. Zeus is the first ever tire monitor to be able to detect slow leaks with its advanced data mining technology. This proprietary algorithm called AccurateTemp analyzes pressure and temperature data over time and alerts you to any slow leaks that other tire monitoring systems would have missed. The app report clearly pinpoints the exact tire and the rate of leakage. To make it even more versatile, we've designed it as a device that anyone can self-install. Take it with you on your next trip and easily install in just 3 steps on your rental car. When it comes to protecting your family everywhere you go, choose the next generation in safety technology.
Stuck in traffic chaos every day, your greatest hope is getting home safely. You always follow the rules, but you know there are people who don't. So how do you protect your family? You do everything you can to keep safe, but when an irresponsible driver causes an accident, how do you prove that it's not your fault? Introducing UltraDuo Z2, your best road buddy. Z2 is a smart dual lens dashcam that records everything on the road. Z2 has 2 editions designed for different purposes, standard and commercial. When you were the victim of a hit-and-run accident, don't worry about it. Z2 has already captured the other driver's license plate number. For those professional drivers, Z2 helps you to avoid troubles both inside and outside of your vehicle. One easy step and you are ready to go. As soon as you start the car, the camera will automatically turn on and start recording. When you are not with your car, Z2 is there to protect it. Z2 will automatically turn on and record if someone hits your car or tries to steal it. In case of an accident or emergency stop, the recording of that time is automatically protected. You will never lose the important videos. Every trip of your life and the memories you make, Z2 saves them all. For all kinds of cars, all kinds of roads, and all kinds of drivers.
Waste. We're engulfed by mass production, accelerating consumption, and rampant materialism. Products are designed to become obsolete, then discarded for the next big thing. We're depleting our natural resources at astonishing rates while pumping pollutants and trash into the environment. Developments in sustainability are promising, but they're not happening fast enough, and the solutions are still too expensive and inaccessible. What if we can make our machines last longer, run more efficiently, and self-improve instead of supporting the high turnover consumerism that we see today? What if we had a solution here and now? That's our mission at TriboTEX. We're tackling the problem of waste by creating the first of its kind nanoparticles that actually repair machines while increasing performance and efficiency. Harnessing the power of nanotechnology, we came up with a small solution to this big problem. TriboTEX nanoparticles have 2 faces, one that binds and one that slides. The sticky side reinforces and strengthens, while the slippery side reduces friction. Just like carbon turning to diamond in the mantle of the earth, TriboTEX self-aligns into a diamond-like lattice structure under the heat and pressure of the engine. Unlike other protective coatings, this process actually reverses engine wear, particle by particle, and restores it to a better than new condition.
Our initial focus was to make lubricants safer. Among many nanomaterials we worked on, one unique outlier reduced friction dramatically, down to super lubricity level. With the help of national labs and research agencies, we understood the mechanism and developed proprietary production process.
After years of research and rigorous testing, we're proud to introduce CarBoss, a safe and green additive for your car that improves gas mileage, boosts horsepower, and extends the life of your engine. CarBoss comes in a small recyclable applicator that you inject into the oil fill of your car. As you drive, TriboTEX nanoparticles are forged into a diamond-like armor around engine components, rejuvenating your daily driver to become more efficient than when it was new. A third of the gas that you put in your car is wasted on engine friction. With 612 million cars on the road, that waste adds up. Running on CarBoss will use less fuel, reduce pollution, and leave a smaller carbon footprint. We're ready to go to market.
We're the founders of Macchina. I'm Earl, and this is Josh. And we founded Macchina for car nerds because we are car nerds. When we started out, we were buying parts and bolting them on. Eventually this got boring because we didn't actually understand what was going on. At least with mechanical things, you can see them working. But as soon as you add electronics, you can't see in. You have to either trust whoever made it or become a car nerd. We want you to stop just bolting things on. Start understanding and creating. That's why we build Macchina. Macchina lets you into the inner workings of your car. It's kind of like rooting or jailbreaking your phone. Once you're in, the possibilities are endless. Modern cars are controlled by a system of computers, passing information back and forth. Here's what it looks like when your car is running. Somewhere in this massive data is the engine's RPM and gear selection. If we want to create a shift light, all we need to do is isolate those pieces of information and program Macchina to tell us when to shift. Macchina not only listens to your car, but it can talk to it too. Let's say you want to unlock it from a mile away. Macchina can do that. Macchina can also do more complicated things, like retune your entire ECU for a new fuel type. The question really shouldn't be, what can Macchina do? It should be, what are you willing to learn how to do? Macchina works with most modern cars. Macchina is inexpensive, compact, easy to learn, flexible to your situation, wirelessly connectable, and most importantly, open source. At its core, Macchina is an interface that connects to your car through the OBD2 port or a wired connection, using every common protocol. Macchina's interface mates easily to our processor board, which is based on Arduino, making it easy to work with. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's something for you to build and create. Macchina lets you get back to the original intention of hot rodding. Make it better, make it fun, make it yours. You can do this, and you don't have to do it alone. In fact, there's an entire community of people who love cars and understand technology.